Hello and welcome to the new video. In this video, we will learn to make random pattern designs using Flinger scripts. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, we will be creating a circle. So let's take the circle, make a circle like this. So make a small circle like this. Take the text tool, write any text or letter, change the font style. We will change the font style. Right click and click on create outlines. Ungroup it. Click both. Go to file, go to scripts and click on Flinger. Now with these parameters, check all of these and click on OK. This is how we can use Flinger script in Adobe Illustrator and we can create random patterns. Let's create one more. We will be creating a heart here, a rectangle like this. With the direct selection tool, take these anchor points and make it round. Copy it with Ctrl C and paste it in front with Ctrl F. Now rotate it like this. With the shape builder tool, make the heart. Change the color. Increase its size. Take a star. We'll change its color. Take a random alphabet. Increase its size. Right click and click on create outlines. Ungroup it. Now click these. Click on file, go to scripts and click on Flinger. Now with the same parameters, check all of these and click on OK. That is how we can use the Flinger script and we can make random patterns in Adobe Illustrator. So it's a very useful tool. You can use it. If you have learned from this video and if you like this video, hit on the like button and subscribe to the channel. Have a very lovely day. Thank you. Bye.